Petal is Les here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you this Pro Easy mug press machine that I got from Vivor, and I can't wait to share with you how this works. So let's get into unboxing this item. Okay, there's instructions here right on the top, which we should read. And here it is inside the box. So let's take it out. And there's a cord inside the box also to plug it in. And here we go. This is how it looks. And inside here, that little button, I guess the cup sits on here to activate the machine. And that's how it looks inside. And I guess this is the button for on and off and all the functions. Alright everyone, let's plug it in. And this mug press holds cups up to 15 ounces. There we go. So let's get into the images that I'll be using to help make these mugs. Alright, I'll be using the Cricut infusible ink sheets. These three right here, because I don't have a what do you call it, infusible printer. So I'll be using the sheets that you can get from Cricut. And in Cricut Design Space, these are the images that I pulled up. And before you cut the images, you have to mirror them. Remember to mirror your images. So now we're going to send it to our Cricut to be print. I'm doing 3 mugs today. So I'm just going to print off the images on the 3 infusible ink sheets. And now we are going to weed it. So I bend it up a bit to crack, because it's not like regular vinyl. It's more like a cardstock vinyl. So you just crack it a bit to make it easier to weed. And now just pull up the edges and then use your hand to continue the rest. The images I'm using from Cricut Design Space, I will have the link below in my description box. And it comes off very easy. And just make sure your hands are not greasy or oily, because you'll ruin the ink that's on the sheets. So just make sure your hands are clean and dry. And we'll just continue weeding the rest of our images. Alright, so next we have these cups. They're infusible blanks that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave the link for that below too. But we just gotta clean the mugs well, so there's no anything on it. So this is the first image. So we're just gonna place it onto the sides of our mugs. The thing with the Cricut infusible inks, the sheet that they're on, the carrier sheet, is sticky, so it helps adhere to the mug that you're putting it on, the surface that you're putting it on. And again, another mug, make sure you clean them well. And then we lay down the sheets and just press on them to make sure they're sticking. And when you're using infusible ink, you have to buy cups that are made for infusible ink. You can't just use any cup that you could buy in the dollar store or somewhere else. You have to buy the infusible ink cups, so I bought mine on Amazon. And now to the part that I've been waiting on, to use the mug press. So I turned it on and right now it's red. When it heats up, it will go to green. And they come with preset settings inside, or you could program it yourself. Just read the instructions in the booklet. So now it's ready. So I'm gonna place the mug inside of the machine. And my mugs are 15 ounces, the ones I'm using. So you saw it close. The side closes when you put the mug down. And then we just wait for it to heat up with all the lights. When the lights are all the way on the other side, then it will be ready. And I just speed this up. It does take a little time, but I speed it up. And when it's done, as you see, it opens up. And you have to use protective gloves because this is really hot. It's very hot. Oh boy, I'm so excited. This is my first time doing this, you guys. I am so excited. Okay, there's the mug and you can peel it off hot. Ooh, look at that. OMG. Doesn't that look nice? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. I love it. And the mug is hot. Now on this side, I do have some, what they call ghosting. I think that's what they call it. But I don't mind. It's my first time. And I think I did good. I think it looks nice. Okay, so now we are going to do our next mug. So just press it down, and once it reaches the bottom, it senses that the cup is in there, and it closes and start the heating process. And again, it goes through all the lights, and once it reaches the time that it's set to press, it opens up, and then you can take out your mug. Again, make sure you have protective gloves on. It also beeps to let you know it's finished. So now let's open this one. Nice. Very nice. And now for our third mug with the butterflies. Just push it down, it closes. Alright, now it's ready, it's opening back. And then we're gonna peel back the carrier sheet. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like the butterflies. I like the pink. It looks very nice. Alright everyone, here are the mugs. I love how it turned out. Bad Moms Club. Now with the ghosting here, that is my fault. It is. And right here, that is my fault. Because the machine closes a certain distance around the cup. And what I did is in Design Space, the template comes at a certain length. Width or length. Anyways, I measured my cup from side to side. And my cup was like 24. So I made my template a little bigger, which I shouldn't have. I should have left it the number that Cricut Design had it at. But it's my first time, so I didn't know. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten the ghosting because the letters would have been right where they're supposed to be, and the machine would have covered them completely. But that's my error, not the machine, user error. But don't they still look nice? OMG! I love it. I absolutely love them. And I think it's nicer than the vinyl. You can't feel them. They're in the cup. They're embedded in the cup, just like the ones you buy in the store. OMG. I love it. I love this Vivor. Easy press mug machine. OMG. Pro easy mug press machine. And I love this one most of all. The butterflies. I absolutely love it. If you have an infusible ink printer, you could do much more patterns and colors and stuff on your own. If not, if you're like me, I don't have one. So I buy the infusible ink from Cricut, and I'm sure other places probably sell the infusible ink sheets too. I'm not sure. I only know about the ones that are on Cricut. But either way, I love it. Thank you, Vivor, for sending me this mug press machine. I think it is so neat. And I am going to leave the link below for Vivor. They're on Amazon. So I'm going to leave, like I said, I'm going to leave the link below so you guys can go over and check them out and get one of these for yourself. It would be nice to make them for your home, for a loved one, for gifts. The possibilities are endless. And remember, if you're like me and don't have an infusible printer, that's okay. You buy the sheets and make lovely designs for your mugs. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.